Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot verify payment information in Apple ID. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to add your credit card or your debit card to your Apple ID, but you're facing the issue that your information could not be verified. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just try to connect with this different, stable, and strongest network connection. Then go to settings, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting, just go to language region, and select your own region from here. After doing this, just simply go back and go to software update. Just try to update your software. Updating software, go to date and time and enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. After doing this, just go back. You can try to reset your network settings if you want, or you can directly go to your app store. Just tap on the profile icon at the top right, and here just select your Apple ID, and then just enter your Apple ID password. And after entering your Apple ID password, just tap on sign in option from here and just wait for the loading. And here just tap on country or region option, and you just have to try to select your own country or region in which you are living. So, or you can select your country or region which you have just selected in your iPhone settings. So let's say I'm gonna select this one because I have already selected this. And here just tap on this continue option, then tap on this agree at the top right. And after that, here you have to add your payment method. So you just have to make sure that you have entered the correct payment method here. Or if you have a credit or debit card, so you can try to use this camera icon to scan your card. So in case of scanning, there will be no any issue. Or you can also try to enter manually. Then enter your billing address. You have to enter your street. These two are optional, so you can skip them. Then enter your postcode. If you don't know about this, so you can search from Google, enter your town, your country, your phone number, your name, and after all, just have done option at the top right, and your payment method will be successfully added to your Apple ID. Or if you're still facing an issue, so you can try to check your credit card or your debit card if it had been expired. So if you might see that your card has been expired, so just try to connect with card insurer, or you can also try to connect with Apple Support team to get official help. Now to do this, simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can use Apple Store web. Select iPhone from here, select subscriptions and purchases, then select update payment method. And here just wait for the loading, then tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.